Quick question for you. Are you mortgage ready? 3 easy steps to find out coming up in this video. Hello, my name is Brian Best. I'm a realtor with Exit King Realty in Sarasota. We actually have 3 offices. We have one in Venice, we have one in Sarasota, and one in Lakewood Ranch to help serve you better. And my passion is to bring you great tools and resources that are going to help you decide and figure out when is the time to purchase that dream home. And today I have a special guest with me from Ruoff Mortgage.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Best. I'm a senior loan officer with Ruoff Mortgage.
So today we're going to be talking about, are you mortgage ready, and what does that mean? There's 3 steps that you should take to figure out if you're ready to buy a home. Step number 1 is to check your credit score. Well, what is a credit score and how do I check it?
A credit score is what a lender uses to analyze your history of credit usage and your trustworthiness. So basically it's, do you pay your bills on time and how much debt are you in? And
when you check your credit score, I've heard a lot about the numbers. I think it's like 300 to 850. What does that mean?
You're exactly right. So when a lender looks at a credit score to determine if you're financially, quote, sound for a loan, on the low end I would say 600, ideally at least 620, and on the high end for the best interest rate and best options for programs, I would say 740 is ideal.
So when I check my credit score, the higher the score, the lower the interest rate, which is going to be better for you in your monthly payment. So down payment is the amount of cash that you are going to put down on your house, and then you go to a bank or a mortgage lender and they will give you the money for the rest of the loan. So a down payment, how much should I put down on a down payment?
Ideally, in a perfect world, 20% is awesome because that gets you out of private mortgage insurance and gets you the best rates and of course the lower monthly payment.
Okay, so if I don't put 20% down, are there any consequences to that?
Yes, you will have a private mortgage insurance fee, which you'll pay until you're down to 80% of the loan to value.
Okay, so then let's talk about the prepaids and the closings. What are those?
Prepaids and closings are, a lot of times people don't think about it. They save up a good chunk of money and they think that that's all they need. And unfortunately, when they go to the table and they're asked to put down another $8,000 to $10,000, that can be an issue. So what that involves is your transfer taxes, doc stamps, title insurance, owner titles policy, would be closing costs, and those can be negotiated with your seller. And then the prepaids are typically setting up your escrow funds, so your property taxes, insurance, homeowner's insurance, but those have to be paid up front for the year.
So before we get to step number 3, if you do me a favor, if you're getting value out of this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. Step number 3 in finding out if you are mortgage ready is figuring out your purchase power.
That means basically how much house can you afford? What's logical for you and the amount of money you make per month? One thing we do to look at that is we look at debt to income ratio. That means looking at the amount of money you bring home per month and the amount of money that's going out for bills. So your car payment, loans you might have, medical bills, all those things are factored in.
So you figure out the debt to income ratio, you look at the FICO score in the beginning. Anything else you look at?
After we've looked at those things, it gives us an idea, but we have to verify it. So we have to actually get statements, get bank statements, 2 months of pay stubs, verify your employment, tax returns, and of course your ID to make sure you say who you are who you say you are.
So documentation is in, everything has been checked, now you're ready to issue the pre-approval letter. Once you get that pre-approval letter, you're going to come see me and and go shopping for houses. Maybe you've already been looking at houses, but now is the time, because once you find that home, I don't know about wherever you're at, but in the state of Florida, things are moving pretty quick. So it's a great idea to have that pre-approval letter ready to go so you can submit an offer and hopefully not miss out on that dream home you've been looking for. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell so that you're notified when we have more videos.